Welcome back to our Logistifie tutorial series. Today, we will show you how to manage company documents using our dispatch software. Let's get started. First, click on the profile icon at the top right corner and select Company Document. To create a certificate of operating license, click Add New. Enter the start date, expiry date, and license number, and upload the logo. Once all the details are entered, click Save. You can adjust or edit the entries in the action table by clicking the Edit icon. Click the eye icon in the same action table to view the logo. Repeat the same process for the Certificate of Employer's Liability, Certificate of Public Liability Insurance, Certificate of VAT Tax, and all other certificates. And that's it. You've successfully managed company documents in Logistifie. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tips and tricks. See you in the next video.